All right, we're gonna go jump straight into it. So, I spent a lot of time reading through different things how to fix this issue, and it's a Mason issue. We're just gonna jump straight into it. So, first solution is make sure you're not using William Oman. Um, yeah, make sure that everything that is Mason related is actually Mason/org or dash, I mean. And then second thing is ensure install make this just an empty list. And then this is where the sauce is at. Make sure it's all this is false or no. This was forcing itself to be overridden as an attached LSP client buffer. And yeah, so this was what was causing those issues. And just to prove it, let's go ahead and pop in this Python script, and then let me go ahead and pop in a Java. Let this one load because Java takes longer to load. Um, Let me see. So LSP info, and as you can see, we have no duplication. Like this pyright would be duplicated, so it would have an ID 2 and then it would have an ID 3. So whenever you had any diagnostics, there was a duplication for that. And then LSP info, same instance here. We have the attachment 1, attachment 2, and then that's it, nothing else. So yeah, that's all you gotta do is make sure that you remove William, put mason/no-org, and then automatic installation, setup, and enable all to false, and then the handler to no. And you would just set up your capabilities as so. And once again, all this is going to be in the .file configuration. So if you're not so sure, just take a look at the lsp-config.lua file, and then that's it. So yeah, that's how you fix that issue.